Yeah.
All right.
I'll put my snow stuff
The
on.
Great Snowstorm of 2019. It was big enough that we made a snow fort in our backyard. Never snows this much in Oregon.
Go! Faster! We're originally from Idaho, and there was much more snow than this, but...
Yeah, when we left we were making snow forts.
Yeah. You know what I think we should do? This is
So the power's out and it's no surprise. There's a lot of snow. Well, those power lines are really low and they're very heavy. Trees have already broken. There's a lot of snow. A lot of wet snow. I kind of worry a little bit about our house.
I'm just going following your footsteps. Go!
Hey, no, don't go too far because of the puddles. It's still all
What puddles?
still all wet under there. Nothing's frozen. There goes the E-Web guys with because of all the power outages.
Finally.
These trees, hey guys, don't hang out under the trees. They've been cracking all morning. They could come down on you. If you look over here, those trees are broken over there.
Yeah.
And they've already come down.
About to come down.
See the trees? We've pulled some out of the way, but... Hi, Jace. Those are some pretty big...
Yeah, there's lots of snow.
Ah, you guys. Ah!